Hey, what's good? I'm Sadia, and today I'm throwing it back to 2006, the golden era of DVD players, when almost every home had one hooked up under the TV. But this one is different. It's portable with its own built-in screen, so you don't even need a TV to watch your DVDs. Let's see what you actually get inside the box and how well it performs. Inside the box you'll find the DVD player itself, which we'll take a look at a little later, a remote control, some AV cables if you wanted to hook it up to a TV, and a user manual. Pretty simple, nothing unnecessary. The DVD player is extremely lightweight. It's made of plastic and I have to be honest, it does feel really cheap for the price, but is it worth it? Well, that depends on how well it performs really, which I'll test shortly. On the front you've got the disc tray and buttons for the LCD display, volume, forward and going back, stopping and the general navigation buttons. The OK button doubles up as the play and pause button. And of course you've got the disc eject button right here. Around the back there's the RCA output, AV input, the power socket, a headphone jack and a USB and SD card slot too. Setup is as straightforward as it gets really. If it's got battery, just power it on and you're good to go. In use, the tray opens smoothly and discs load fairly quickly. The remote is functional with all of the usual playback controls, but you can also use the controls directly on the player itself with all the buttons. As you can see here, you can fast forward for example. You can also go back if you want to, and of course you can play, pause and stop as well. There's also the volume control. They're quite loud as you push down on each plastic button, but they do the job. I personally prefer to use the remote anyway. One nice feature is that it remembers where you left off, so you can pick up right where you stopped last time. No need to fast forward and try to remember the exact minute that you were at. Just switch it back on and hit play and off you watch. The picture quality is only 720p, but it's clear and paired with the dual speakers, sound comes through without issues. The player has a generous 15.6 inch screen size, and the best part about this screen is that it swivels and tilts, which I would say is its biggest selling point. It has a 270 degree horizontal rotation and 180 degree vertical rotation, so you can make sure that you have a comfortable viewing experience wherever you are. You can even fold it flat like a tablet, just like this. There's also a headphone jack, so you can watch privately whether you're in a room or on a car journey. The battery lasts a good 5 to 6 hours, which isn't bad at all really, and for longer trips it comes with both an AC adapter and a car charger. The car charger, like the DVD player, is old school though. It's the 12V socket plug, so it will only work if your car still has one. It's pretty nostalgic and perfect for when you want to relive some of your younger days and go back in time. I bet some of you have got loads of old DVDs stored somewhere in the house. I mainly got it to watch back some old family videos. We've got quite a few birthday parties which will be nice to watch back. What I like about this DVD player is that it's portable and it doesn't need to be hooked up to the TV to work since it has its own screen. This makes it so much easier to travel with in the car especially. It's very easy to set up and plays DVDs without a fuss. It also plays CDs if you just wanted to listen to some old CDs that you have lying around. As a bonus, it also supports USB and SD cards, so it's not too old school. The main downside to this player is that the build quality does feel cheap and it's limited to standard DVD playback, no Blu-ray. But to flip it on its good side, it's region free, which means it'll play discs no matter where they're from. It's a perfectly functional and portable DVD player. It will save you from having to convert old DVDs into MP4 just so you can watch them once in a blue moon on your laptop or TV. Ditch the time and effort and just plug and play with this DVD player. And that's it for this unboxing and review. If you found this helpful, do drop a like and subscribe for more. I'll be back soon with my next video. I hope to see you there. As always, thank you for watching. Peace.